Hi, I'm Dr. Hema Sathish. I'm a dermatologist by profession and the founder of Cureka.com. Along the series of atopic dermatitis, today I'm going to talk about home care tips for cases with or patients with atopic dermatitis. If we have to see, there are few things which always crosses our mind, like what kind of a temperature should be there inside the house, because when variation in temperature also flares up the skin problems. So in that case, what we can do is try and keep the temperature. When people are sensitive to such things, you can keep the temperature at least inside the house at a particular range which suits them keeps them comfortable, so that the flares do not occur. So, and if you feel that because you're having an air conditioner or something on all the time, it's going to make the air very dry, or generally because of some environmental changes, the air is quite dry, you can use a humidifier also inside your house, which might help. And apart from this, our daily routine, like having a bath. So if you have to keep in mind that you cannot have bath with extremely cold water, neither with the extremely hot water. Lukewarm water should be the best temperature to have bath when you have atopic dermatitis. And what you can do is, if you wish to have a bath in your tub or a bubble bath, you can use some bath oils in them so that your skin doesn't dry up too much. And suggestively 5 to 10 minutes or maximum 15 minutes should be the time of your bath, not more than that, because while having bath, it strips off a lot of moisture from your skin. And while having bath, don't use normal soaps. You can use cleansers. Very moisturizing cleansers also are helpful. And if you have extremely dry skin, that is your skin is very sore, then soap-free cleansers are also available. Using them would be also of great help. And once you finish your bath, dry yourself with a soft cotton cloth and partially dry yourself, so that you help the absorption of the other materials like your ointments, your creams, or your other kind of moisturizers which you need to apply on your skin. Absorption is much better when it is applied on skin like this, and within 5 minutes of having the bath. Another one aspect which you should think about is how to wash the clothes, because these are the things which are in closest contact with your skin. So you should use some laundry cleaning materials which are more plant-based and not much of chemicals in them. Nowadays you get a lot of them too. So you can try them. In case if you're not able to lay your hands on something like that, then what you can do is you can rinse these clothes a little more than you usually rinse your other clothes to get rid of any chemicals which could stay back in them. And one more thing which you can do is, when you buy new clothes, ideally do not just rip off the tags and just wear them. It would be better if you could wash them or rinse them off of all the other chemicals which could be used while making the material or dyeing the material, and then if you use them, it is of great help for you. If you have any other doubts or any comments, you can put it on in your comments box, and we'll be happy to help you out. For the next series, I'll be talking about diets for atopic dermatitis. Thank you.